Hey everyone, this is Will from SCOOTERETTI. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to use the Walk Assist feature on a Bosch Intuvia equipped electric bike. Hey everyone, welcome back. Come on over and I'll show you how to get the Bosch Intuvia Walk Assist feature to function. So we're going to go ahead and boot up the computer system by simply pushing on the power button. Now, for the Walk Assist feature to work, you must be on one of the 4 different levels of assist. So currently we're situated in the off position. So in off mode, the Walk Assist feature will not work. So let's go ahead and put ourselves into the eco mode. And just a quick note, it doesn't matter what level of assist you're in, the Walk Assist feature will work equally as well. There's no increase in power or anything. So over here on the touchpad, you're going to notice that there's a button on the top. This is your Walk Assist engagement button. And so if I go ahead and I push this button in once, you'll notice that it says Walk Assist and then there's a plus icon. So what you need to do in this case is you need to quickly go ahead and push this as well as the plus button in order to engage the Walk Assist feature. Now, one thing if you did notice is if I push this button in, you're going to notice that that Walk Assist Plus disappears fairly quickly. So you want to do this rapidly. If you wait more than a couple seconds, you're going to have to repeat the process because it turns itself off. Now, one thing about the Walk Assist feature is that there's a direct correlation with your gearing ratio and the speed of how fast the Walk Assist feature works. So if you're up on the larger cog or the larger part of your cassette, the one with the most number of teeth, that's the one closest to the wheel, your speed is going to be slower. As you start to bring your chain towards the smallest cog on the cassette, your speed is going to start to increase. So you probably want to check that out before you head out on the roads. Try and figure out what level or what gear ratio is the best for your walking speed. So go ahead, try it out. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for lots of great stuff coming up on how-to videos as well as product reviews for the upcoming season. Thanks for watching.